There's Rocksteady at King of the Pit TV.
Yes, now bless, now don't forget the rest. Now there's Rocksteady, King of the Pit TV. Let's finish this record off, shall we, okay? We've been listening to Love Bites by Buzzcocks. I'm going to finish off with a review and a rating of my overall experience, but to do that we need to finish the record off. So this is Late for the Train, track 11 of 11. Let's go. Banging, as the youth would say, Charlie says. Interest, somebody says Nirvana in 1978. Ugh. Some build-up, eh? Sounds like the drums are programmed. What a build-up. These dudes are showcasing their musical capabilities here. Pardon me. What we got going on? Sorry, I should have just seen that one coming, but whoa. These dudes probably spent a lot of time putting this one together, structurally speaking. A lot of cool ideas. Got to be a double kick, right? In the 70s, double kick. I mean, it makes sense to have a double kick outside of metal, right? I mean, why wouldn't you want to use your pedal to another use as opposed to the hi-hat? Am I right in saying it sounds like a double kick? I mean, it does sound like it's programmed for drums, but yeah, you know where I'm coming from. This is like heavy metal, to be honest, don't you think? Yeah, that was pretty good. That was a good outro. It's ESP and its fade out going into that. It feels like we should have had them two switch places, in my opinion. But that was Late for the Train, and that was Love Bites by Buzzcocks. So I'm gonna give you my final overview of this record, and we'll finish off, shall we?